Okay, everybody, I had taken this out of the oven. I almost touched it with my hand. Okay, as you see here, this is after about an hour and a half. Check the meat, okay? Pull it out of the oven, be real careful. It wasn't done in an hour, well, mine wasn't done an hour and a half, but check yours an hour and a half. I put it in for about another 15 minutes, and then this is what it came to. Do you see how soft this is? So what I want to do is got my cutting board set up. I'm going to take this out, okay? This is the meat, as is. Alright, so it's going to chop up pretty easy. Watch, see how I push that apart? You just want to take, see the grain right here? See like the stringiness part? You want to cut against that, because if you cut with it, where it's got these long strings, it's going to be harder to chew. So you want to figure out where you're cross-cutting that. Just go down. Alright, that looks nice. Okay, so see how that just kind of falls apart? Then, I'm going to change my glove. We're going to take our bread, which I gave you guys. This is all part of the kit. Alright, so what you have also is this. Let's scoot back. Here is the hoagie bun. This is a Cuban bread that we got from this local bakery. So you're just going to take a bread knife, be very careful, cut, don't go all the way through. If you do all the way through, it's not a big deal, but you just want to cut, put it like a hinge. Take your tongs, now take this meat, and then just pile it up on that sandwich like this, okay? It's going to be hot, just be careful. You can let it cool down, it doesn't matter. If it's, actually it should be cool, never mind. Yours will be cold because it'll be the next day. And then I like to take a little bit of the juice, okay? Put that juice right on that bread, because when this bakes, pour it over the top of the meat. Alright. There you go. Get that juice on there. And then you're going to serve the rest of that juice with the sandwich. Okay, then take your tongs, scoop out those onions and peppers, okay? Get that on the sandwich, because that is like the best flavor right there. Get those all on the sandwich. So you got the nice onions and peppers. You can put some on this side too. If you don't like onions and peppers, it's fine, but it gives the food a phenomenal flavor. Okay, then you're going to take your cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in on your cheese. This is a Monterey Jack, okay? I put my pan on top. I put a piece of parchment paper on my pan, but if you don't have parchment paper, just go right on the pan. Okay, and you don't need to use all the cheese. That's what we're going to do. Oven is still at 375. Just go in there to bake, and then we'll be right back.